Alright friends, now we are learning about comparison operators in Python programming. So these operators are used to compare values such as numbers or strings. So the result is always either true or false. So let's talk about this. The first one is equal to. If I want to check if two values are equal or not, I will use equal sign. For example, I write 5 is equal 5. What does it mean? It means is 5 equal to 5? That's a question. That's not assigning. If I write 1 equal sign, it means I assign some value to variable. But if I write 2 times equal sign, I am asking a question. Here, 5 is equal to 5. If this statement is true, it returns true. If this statement returns false, here I will see on the screen when I run it, false. I run it. You see 5 is equal to 5, so I see true on the screen. For example, if I write 5 equal to 7, I run it, you see false on the screen. Another comparison operator, not equal to. For example, I use not operator, so after equal sign, it means not equal to. This checks if two values are not equal. If values are different, it returns true. If values are the same, it returns false. So right now I see 5 is different than 7. When I run it, what I will see on the screen, it's true, because they are different. But I change it from 7 to 5, for example. 5 is equal to 5. So I run it. The operator is not equal to. So I see false on the screen. Super. Let's continue by greater than operator. For example, I want to check if 5 is greater than 3, for example. Is greater than 3? Yes. I run it, you see true on the screen. For example, I want to compare 5 with 7. I run it. 5 is not greater than 7, so it returns false. So I see false on the screen. Similarly, we can pass to less than operator. For example, 5 is less than 7. Yes. I run it. True appears on the screen. 5 is less than 3. I check no. So if I run it, you see false on the screen. The other operator is less than or equal to. What does it mean? I am checking first value is less than second value or first value is equal to second value. For example, if I compare 5 and 5 is less than or equal to 5, I run it, you see true on the screen. Similarly, I have greater than or equal to operator. I run it, you see true appears again. Comparison operators are very useful in conditions and decision makings in programming. So we can use comparison operator in if, else statement, in if statement also. It's so useful and it returns true or false values. Great. See you in the next lesson.